Recovering your Chromebook can be helpful if you are having problems updating your Chromebook or when it stops working. To install a new version of the Chrome operating system on your Chromebook, you have to go through the recovery process. Please be aware that by doing a recovery process, all account information and data stored on your Chromebook will be deleted. In addition, owner privileges for your primary account will be reset. However, the actual Google accounts and any data synced to these accounts will not be affected by the recovery process. Before starting this process, you need a blank USB drive or SD card with at least 8 gigs of space, and you will also need to know the Chromebook model number for the system on which you are performing the recovery. The first step is to download the Chromebook Recovery Utility app from the official Chrome web store and launch the app. With your blank media in hand, click Get Started, then enter all the identifying information specific to the Chromebook being recovered. If doing the recovery on the same Chromebook, the model number can be found on the recovery screen. If you are creating the media by using a different system, then use the Select a Model from a List option. Click Continue, insert the media you're going to use, select it, and continue. Click Create Now to start the process. Keep in mind that anything on your media will be deleted, so be sure it's a clean blank one. The entire process takes a few minutes, so be patient. Do not remove the recovery media during this time. Once the media is ready, click Done, then you can safely remove it. Now it's time to reinstall the Chrome operating system. Start your Chromebook. When the message Chrome OS is missing or damaged appears, insert the media you've just created into the USB port or the card slot on your Chrome device. Wait for the Chromebook to boot up from the media and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is successful, you will be prompted to remove the media. Once the media is removed, your Chromebook will automatically restart. You should now be able to start your Chromebook as normal. However, you will need to go through the initial setup again because the data stored on your Chromebook has been cleared. So be sure to sign in with your primary Google account, as this account will be set as the owner account. For additional information on starting your Chromebook as normal, watch our video about Chromebook First Time Setup, which is available on the Tech Support Dell channel. Whenever you need help or have questions, you can contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, visit the Dell Community Forum, and join in a chat with other Dell users. We have many other helpful tips and tutorials available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.